Okie dokie. So, why have objects? Why not just have variables? Let me quickly show you. Let's just say why objects. Let's assume we have a motorbike. It's blue and it's got 2 wheels and it's a Yamaha. We can represent this in an object way, in an object-oriented way, or we can just use variables. Let me show you. Let bike make equals Yamaha. Let bike color equals blue. And let bike wheels equals 2. So this is possible. We can do this. But now you've got to start thinking in the future, how do we attach all these to one specific user and then the user wants to change just one of these? It's going to become very cumbersome, which is where objects come into the picture. This is variables. Now we can use objects. All we need to do with an object is use the curly braces. We've actually created an object right now, even though nothing's in it, and I'll prove it to you. If we just console log bike out, you can see it's an empty object. And we can go type of, let's just console log type of bike. And you can see bike is an object. How cool is this? It's easy to create one, right? Okay, so let's say make is Yamaha. Color blue. Wheels 2. This is an object. You can already start feeling and getting a sense as to how much easier it is to work with objects than it is variables. But they're kind of similar. Variables, we have name value pairs as well. Bike make, value. Bike color, value. Bike wheels, value. Same with objects. Name value, name value. So they are very closely related, but it is just much easier working with an object than it is a variable, as you can see in this example. But before we get into even more detail, let's continue. There are a few other points we need to discuss.